Today we will review the lecture for class 10 mathematics. Exercise is 1.1. In the previous question we have done question number 1, 2 and 3. Now we start the question number 4. Part number 1. Part 1 number 1 is t square minus 8t plus 7 equal to 0. Factorize the formula. Here we can apply any method. By sum and product method, by completing square, by quadratic formula. It's your choice. Now here is 1. 1 multiplied by 7 give you 7. No, 7. 7 1 times 7 and 1. No, the same it is 1 t square plus 7 equal to 0. We split into two numbers. When multiply, give you 7. When we add or subtract, give you minus 8. We have 1 and 7. 1 and 7, both are smaller than 8. Both have same sign. This comes from where? 1 and 7. With them is t. First and second in the one bracket. Third and fourth in the other bracket. T is common. 1 minus t. Minus 7 is common. T minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, t minus 1 and t minus 7 equal to 0. T minus 1 equal to 0 either. And or t minus 7 equal to 0. T equal to 1 and t is equal to 7. Therefore, solution set is 1 and 7. Is your part number 1. Now we do part number 2. Part number 4. Sorry. Part number 4. Part number 4 is x into x plus 10 equal to 10 minus 10 minus 6. First of all, we open the bracket. When we open the bracket, we get x square 10x equal to 10 plus 10 plus x. X square plus 10x, 10 plus 10, 20 plus x. We shift it to the right side. We get to the left side. Sorry. Minus x plus 10x minus 20 equal to 0. X square 9x minus 20 equal to 0. Here coefficient is 1. Here coefficient is 1. Now 1 multiplied by 20. 1 multiplied by 20 gives you 20. Now we split 9 into two numbers. We split 9 into two numbers. When we add or subtract, we get 20. We get 20. Now x cube minus 20 equal to 0. Now we make the sum and product method. 9. We split 9 into numbers. When we multiply or divide, give you 20. 4 into 5 give you 20. Minus 4 and minus 5 give you 20. But minus 4 and minus 5 give you 20. But never give you 20. But minus 4, minus 5 give you minus 9. But here is plus 9. Here is plus 9. Therefore, we cannot do this method. We can apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The value of a is 1. The value of b is 9. The value of c is minus 20. The value of c is minus 20. Now, putting the values, x is equal to minus 9 plus minus 9 square minus 4 a and c divided by 2a. Now, minus 9 plus minus, the square of 9 is 81, minus into minus plus 4 to times 8 and 0. 4 to times 8 and 0. We get 21. 2, sorry. Minus plus minus. This will be 1 and 16 divided by 2. Now, solve it by yourself. Now, we do the question 6 and 7 first. Then at the end we can do the question 5 or question number 6 first. Question number 6 is ax square plus 5x equal to 3. X is equal to 1. He has said find the value of a. Now putting the value of x in this equation, a, x is 1 plus 5, 1 equal to 3, a, 1 plus 5 equal to 3, a plus 5 equal to 3, a equal to 5 minus 3, a equal to 2. Now, question number 7. Question number 7 is also an important question. Now, the question is given x square minus 7x minus 9 equal to 0. First of all, we solve them. The value of a is 1, b is minus 7 and c is minus 9. Formula is x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting the values, we get minus into minus 7 plus minus 7 square minus 4 ac divided by 2 into a. We get 7 49 plus 4 9 36, 4 9 36 divided by 2. Now we get x is equal to 7 plus minus 49 plus this. We get 85 divided by 2. But in the question he has said in the book, exercise 1.1, last question 7, find their positive difference. Find their positive difference means we have two possibilities, x plus 85 by 2 and x minus 85 by 2. We have positive difference means x plus 85 by 2 minus 7 minus 85 divided by 2. Now LCM is 2 plus 85 minus 7 plus 85. Plus and minus cancel, we get 2, 85 and the radical sign 2. 2 and 2 cancel, we get under root 5 is your answer. Now, I am giving the homework. Question number 4. Question number 4, part 2nd and 3rd is your homework. Read by yourself. If any problem, then call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.